Hello everybody, it's Jan Monahan and welcome to another edition of Wrapping with Jan. Today I'm going to be making the first of four videos about Valentine's gift wrapping. Now some of the supplies I'll be using and are from Simon Says Stamp January kit, and as of this taping they are still available. So if you're interested in any of the products that I show you here, they are available at simonsaysstamp.com. First of all, we have this really cute rubber stamp set. Came with 4 100-pound sheets of all kinds of different colors. Came with 5 envelopes for those who want to make cards out of this. And some really cute stickers. I'm going to be using those on this particular project. And a variety of 6x6 paper, of which I will be using some of this. So let's get started. For this, like I said, you're going to need the Simon Says Stamp January Stampers Kit. And you're going to need a piece of red cardstock. And this is Schoolhouse Red cardstock, and this also came in the kit. You're going to need a small white gift bag. You're going to need some tape. You're going to need some distress ink in the color brown. You also need this die, and I've forgotten who this is now, and I'll put that up on my video description so you'll know. All right, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to take this. It's my Tombow Extreme. I use this every video. This is the only kind of tape runner that is good for gift bags. It doesn't seem to have a problem with the ridges and the valleys, and this one's kind of sticky. There we go. Okay, that was a brand new. It was a brand new cartridge. I'm sure it needed to get acclimated. But we'll put this down on the front of the gift bag. Make sure you center it. All right, like that. Then we're going to set this aside. Now what I've done, I've taken one of my rectangle dies over here, and this is from Memory Box, I believe, and it comes with about 25 dies, but this is the one that worked the best, and so I cut it out, and I'm going to center this in the center of this gift bag. And let's just continue to use this. Okay, center this. All right, now for the typewriter. I've got 2 colors of Distress ink. These are Distressed Oxide colors. One is Walnut Stain and the other one is Vintage Photo. And I'm going to take a piece of paper that will fit make sure it will fit on there. And I'm going to make a distressed color so that it looks like an old typewriter. Combining inks, especially the Distress Oxide, it will give it, like the ink says, a distressed look, which is what we want for this old typewriter. And I don't know if you can see the 2 colors on this, but they're there. And to give it just a little bit more personality, I'm going to squirt this and really distress it. This is just water. And what this does is it allows, and the water works with the paint or the ink, and gives it a very pretty, very distressed, chalky look. And so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to run this through my Sizzix machine, and I've got one here that I made. And as you can see, made a very nice impression and very nice cut. Then you'll need to cut a piece of white paper and make sure that it fits into the typewriter, just like that. And now that we know that it fits in the typewriter, where are my stamps? Here we go. I'm going to take my X's and O's out of here. If I can find my acrylic block. Here we go. And we'll be using my favorite things, black licorice. And we're going to stamp this 3 times. It makes a very clear, very crisp impression or print. Okay. All right, we got that. Next thing we want to do, where's my typewriter? There we go. Next thing we want to do is we want to feed this and make it look like it's coming out of the typewriter. Very easy, very simple. And since this is flat, we won't need to use the heavy stuff. We'll use just the regular adhesive. And get that centered. And there you go. Now let's put another piece. Let's put another little bit. Help that stay. There we go. All right, now, since we've got red and green and white, and it's really not Christmas, but we do need something to bring this whole thing together. And that's where these adorable stickers come in. Simon Says Stamp has done a wonderful job in color coordinating this month's stamp kit. So the first thing I'm going to do is we'll put that down. And we'll put this little heart down. Now these are outlined with gold, which I think makes it a little bit more polished. Okay, there's your gift bag. Now, even though everybody else on the planet is making cards out of these, I don't make too many cards. I make a lot of gift wrap though. So I'm going to make a gift tag for this particular project. And let's see, where did I put that? There we go. Okay. And once again, we're going to ink this up. Going to ink up the X's and O's. And make another impression here. And that ties all of this together. All you need to do is tie that on. And you've got a gorgeous gift bag that didn't take any longer than 6 or 7 minutes. If you have any questions, please contact me, wrappingwithjan.com, and leave me your comments. Until the next time, happy gift wrapping.